This is by Argos, and this is Triumph of Bacchus. Talk about a perfume that has been making the rounds on YouTube. I was so curious about this, and I just did it. I just went for it. This bottle is absolutely beautiful. I mean, wow. This is like a work of art for sure. So I told my husband to just start off with the small size, and let me tell you guys something, this is amazing. When a perfume gets really hyped up on YouTube, sometimes you're like, am I gonna like it as much as everybody says? But yes, I love this fragrance, and I don't think this smells like red tobacco. Well, okay, I do think it smells like red tobacco, but way smoother and not as masculine leaning. This is definitely more of a unisex fragrance to my nose anyway. I feel completely comfortable wearing this. So this is definitely a more refined, upscale, less masculine leaning version for sure, and I just freaking love it. I think in the opening there's white peach, there's some green apple, there's some saffron, and there's some booziness at the top as well. Definitely a boozy fragrance, and the saffron is definitely present, so you have to be a fan of that. I don't really get peach, but I do get the green apple in here for sure. But as this starts to dry down, the tonka bean and the vanilla and the tobacco comes through, and it just is absolutely intoxicating. Just so, so good.